It's blue.
Yeah. What is it?
Look.
Is it a book?
Yeah. Look.
Animal babies. Let's see.
Monkey baby.
This is a fox right here. See a fox.
Fox cat.
You okay?
Yeah.
Seals. Ooh, it makes noise.
Yeah. That's Steve.
Start on the back side right here.
Okay.
Right here. Pull on that. Oh. Oh.
Hi, Sadie.
Who is that?
Stocking stuffing.
You got a Dr. Stuffins puzzle?
Yeah.
There's four of them. There's 4 puzzles in there. Look, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh my goodness. Look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 puzzles in there.
Wait a minute. I need a light
I'll go get you one.
before I open it.